Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2020 400 SLX with Trip 400s. It has a ton of power. It hops right up on a plane, gives you a good top end. So let's start at the back of the boat. Very large sun pad. You can put 6 adults comfortably on the back of the sun pad. That's a really huge sun pad. Huge storage underneath it as well. And as we move into the boat, you've got an L-shaped seating with a teak table. That gives you plenty of seats, another 6, 7 adults comfortable right here. Table folds up to get out of the way if you make it easy to get in and out. And as we move over to the starboard side, we've got a galley set up here. You've got a prep area, a fridge with a little freezer in it, electric grill, sink, and trash. So a really nice little galley. We call it outdoor galley. And then you also have the side that folds down as a sun deck on it that you're sitting right out on top of the water. Very, very cool feature there as well. It's got a shore shade, which goes all the way out over the sun pad. It's got a sunroof that opens up if you want the sun. It's got a skylight up there also. And then you've got a seat that can actually sit this way. I can spin it this way to join these people in here. So you've got a 360 basically all the way around, or it faces forward. And as we move over to the helm, you've got the twin Simrad touchscreens. Beautiful helm, very clean. So you got the best electronics out here, double screen. You've got the digital throttle and shift, and then you have the joystick. Joystick, I can make the boat go sideways. I have complete control of this boat for docking. Perfect every single time. Also has an autopilot, and then it has skyhook, locks me in a position. If I'm waiting for a slip assignment, I can just hit the button. It locks me right in. If I want to see the sunset, you can hit the button, locks you in. You can sit up front, have a little glass of wine up front. The boat doesn't move. You don't have to drop the anchor. Fantastic. The whole system is just the joystick's fantastic. Now, as we move over to the cabin, so it's set up. Actually, you can actually entertain and also sleep down here. So you've got a big entertaining area with the dinette table. That'll fill in as a bed. And also a nice big bed in the mid cabin. So you can put 3 adults back there very comfortably. So you can sleep 5 adults very comfortably if you need it. So it's a day boat that you can sleep on. Real cool. Stand-up head also. We've got the sea deck on the floor as we move out. The sea deck is really comfortable. It's very cushy under your feet, so it's a really nice option. You've got 3 comfortable seats with armrests right here. You could actually put 4 adults out here if you wanted to without the armrests. A couple of more seats here. Spotlight up there. It's just this boat just entertains extremely well. It rides great. This is an ocean-going vessel. I mean, you could take this out into 3 or 4 foot seas and still be able to go for a somewhat comfortable ride. So, if you've got any questions, we have the boat here at our Naples store. Please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.